So next I'm going to explain some additional features which are there in the OpenBrush. So firstly I'll explain the revolver tool. So if you hold the index trigger of your left hand controller, you can see a line appears and it's connecting to your right hand index trigger. Okay, so after that just press the A button, which you can see the icon which is glowing here. So after you press this, you can see the circles which are rotating around my controller. So after that just press the index trigger like this, keep holding it and move your thumbstick, and then you can see it will automatically sketch along the line of your left hand index trigger. Okay, so you can make very cool stuff with this, like you can make a pipe like this or even a cylinder. Okay, so this is your revolver tool. Next we have the straight edge. So with this we are able to sketch straight lines like this. Also this has one more function, like if we draw a straight line and don't release your index trigger, keep holding it and then just move your controller in a circular motion like this and try to touch the original point from your uh, original point of your sketch, which is right here. Okay, so I'll do the circular motion and you can see I can make a circle with the straight edge. Okay, so let's do one more time now with the circle. So let me go and touch the center of the circle like this by making a circular motion, and we can make a sphere. See, so you are able to make circles and sphere with your straight edge tool. Let me show you one more time. So this is your straight line, this is your circle, and this is your sphere. Okay,